Carbohydrates are like the petrol that fuels our bodies. They're one of the three main macronutrients we need, alongside protein and fat. When we eat carbs, our bodies break them down into glucose. This glucose is what our cells use for energy to do everything from breathing to running a marathon. Think of it like this. Imagine your body is a car. Carbohydrates are the fuel that keeps the engine running. Without enough fuel, the car would sputter and stop. Similarly, without enough carbohydrates, our bodies would lack energy and wouldn't function properly. We all need carbohydrates to thrive. They're essential for our brains to work correctly, for our muscles to power through the day, and for our bodies to carry out vital functions. It's all about balance, though. Monosaccharides are the simplest type of carbohydrate. They consist of just one sugar unit and are the building blocks of all other carbohydrates. These sugars are found naturally in many fruits and vegetables. One example of a monosaccharide is glucose, a simple sugar found in fruits like grapes and berries. Glucose is incredibly important because it's the primary source of energy for our brain. Another example is fructose, found in fruits like apples and pears, and galactose, found in dairy products. These simple sugars are easily absorbed into the bloodstream, providing a quick burst of energy. Disaccharides are formed when two monosaccharides join together. They're like two simple sugars holding hands. One of the most common disaccharides is sucrose, otherwise known as table sugar. Sucrose is made up of glucose and fructose. We use it to sweeten our food and drinks. Another example is lactose, the sugar found in milk, which is made up of glucose and galactose. Disaccharides are broken down into their individual sugar units during digestion, which are then absorbed into the bloodstream. While they provide energy, it's essential to consume them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Polysaccharides are long chains of monosaccharides linked together, like a long train of sugar molecules. These complex carbohydrates take longer to digest, providing a slow and steady release of energy. Starchy foods like potatoes, rice, and bread are excellent sources of polysaccharides. These foods are broken down into glucose more slowly, providing sustained energy levels. Fiber is another type of polysaccharide that our bodies can't digest. While it doesn't provide energy, it's incredibly important for our gut health, helping to keep us regular and prevent digestive problems. We find fiber in foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes.